Hello chess lovers, I have a mind-blowing game for you. With the white pieces playing Lev Milman and his opponent is Joseph Fang. The game was played at 7th Foxwoods Open 2005. Lev Milman started with e4 and c6 by Joseph Fang, Caro-Kann defense, d4, d5, knight c3, d takes e4, knight takes e4, bishop f5. This is the classical variation, knight g3, bishop g6, h4, white is choosing the main line h6, knight f3, knight d7, h5, bishop h7. This is all standard theory. We see the exchange of light square bishops e6, bishop f4, bishop b4 check c3, causing slight weaknesses in white's queen side, and then the bishop retreats back on e7 square and white castles queen side. Knight f6, king b1, a prophylactic move. This king b1 is always useful when you are castling queen side. Black castles king side, we have opposite side castlings, and this is going to be a very interesting game. Knight e5, c5, black is instantly challenging white center. Queen f3, queen b6, knight takes d7, knight takes d7, and there it goes, white is pushing the d pawn. He takes d5, stopping the pawn's further advancement, but at the same time this frees the f5 square, and now the white knight jumps on f5 square. The bishop on e7 is now hanging. We see bishop f6 and white captures on d5. Suddenly all white pieces got very active and they are eyeing on black king. Queen e6, and there it goes. We see the first blood in this game. Bishop takes h6, sacrificing the bishop in order to weaken black's king side. Knight e5, black didn't accept the sacrifice. Well, if a move like g takes h6, then white has rook d6 move. If queen e8, then simply rook takes f6. If knight takes f6, then queen g3 check. Black king is getting checkmated. Or after rook d6, if queen e5, then rook takes d7. And again, white has a very dangerous attack. Black king is exposed and can become an easy target for white pieces. Let's go back. That's why after bishop takes h6, we see knight e5, queen e4, knight c6. Here the players repeated the moves, and after queen e4, knight c6, white finally came up with the most beautiful move. Can you find white's next move? Ready? In this position, Lev Milman played queen g4, sacrificing the rook on d5, and at the same time intensifying the pressure on g7. Black accepted the sacrifice, and there it goes. We see bishop takes g7, and believe me, this is going to be very dangerous. Queen d3 check, king a1, and knight e5. Already the queen is covering the third rank. You can't place the queen on g3 square. But in this position, Lev Milman came up with a brilliant idea. You can pause the video and try to find a winning continuation. Ready? Actually, there is a checkmate in 6 move. White is first playing knight e7 check. King h7, of course, if bishop takes e7, then this is easy. Bishop takes e5, discover check, and black king is getting checkmate hit. That's why after knight e7 check, we see king h7. And now a question arises, how is white going to proceed with the attack? The queen is hanging, the knight is hanging, the bishop is hanging, and it turns out that in this position there is only one winning move. All other moves are losing, and that move is queen g6 check. What a mind-blowing sacrifice. We see f takes g6, h takes g6 double check, king takes g7, and believe it or not, but after rook h7, this is a checkmate. What a checkmate. As for me, I really think that this is one of the most beautiful attacks in history. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing attack, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More games are coming. Good luck.